Let's download the code of this portfolio website that I built in Lovable. So we'll see that. And this is homepage. And here you can find a lot of project I have been working on and I'm working on. So to download a project's code, what we created using Lovable, it's just super simple. Okay, come over here, and then you can either just wait for it. You can either go to code and just copy all this, and that's a hard way. So let's do the simplest way, which is sync your project with GitHub. Okay, so do that. When you connect that, you can just say here connect project. You need to connect and choose your organizations for this actually, and then transfer and then click on view. And when you go to the view here, you can see all the code. Here, this is all the code that our creator using our prompt. And then you can just come over here and then download as zip. Just download. I do want to download. And that's how you can download the code that I made in Lovable. Super simple. Yeah, that's it. This is how you can download the code. Okay, that's it. Thank you.